Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix connection timed out in Minecraft server. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to fix Minecraft connection timed out server, you have to follow these steps. First, keep in mind whether the server itself is online. Before fixing anything on your side, confirm that the server actually works. If you have contact with the owner, ask if the server is online. If it's a public server, you can check its status as well. You can also try joining a different server to compare. If other servers work, then the problem is server-specific, but if none of them work, then it's usually a network connection problem, since the error is related to connection timing out. You should then try restarting everything, because this fixes many network issues. Restart Minecraft, restart your router, restart your device, and if you own the server, restart the server too. After that, try joining the server again inside the game, as simply retrying works for many users. You can also clear your Minecraft cache. On mobile, go to your device settings, then scroll down and open the apps section. Here, search for Minecraft and open it. Then select Storage and tap on Clear Cache. You can also tap on Clear Data. This removes unnecessary temporary files and can help resolve connection problems. Focus on checking your connection and confirming it's not a server issue. Hopefully this helps, and that's all. So that's basically how you can fix connection timed out in Minecraft server. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.